give you a quick update. Almost we have completed the front portion. We have fitted the suspension, right hand suspension, which was pending. I couldn't film that, but yeah, we have completed that suspension, and the front portion is also completed, even the engine also. And right now we are putting diesel, and we are going to try to start the vehicle. So yes, let's hope it will start in oneself, or else we will try. So yep, we are putting the diesel over there, and in the interior all the couplers are plugged in. So let's see what will happen. And out. So yes.
How is your first
Yes,
experience?
it's drive. Right now we have taken it out for a drive.